Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a console bug in CS2. So if your console is enabled here on the in-game tab, here on developer console, and it's not working when you press the right button, I will show you how you can fix that. So what you need to do here is to basically close the game, and then you need to look for Steam. Right click on it, then open file location, then right click on Steam again, go to open file location, and on this folder then you need to scroll up probably, and then you need to go to user data, and then you will get folders with numbers. So what you need to do here, you need to open up Steam, then you need to go to profile, and then you should see here your profile username or some random numbers. So copy the thing here, go to the browser, go to Steam ID Finder, and then you just need to paste these numbers here. And after that, then you need to look for Steam ID 3, and then if we open up the folder here, here's the data and the browser, you can see that the number should match here. So for me it's 733, and this folder will work. Right, and then you need to press on 730 folder because it's CS game. Then you need to go to local CFG, and then you need to look for CS2 machine converse. Right, so you need to open up this as a notepad, and then here you need to look for panorama size. So it will be on the bottom, as you can see here, somewhere here. Panorama console position and size. If you don't see the console, probably the numbers will be super big here, this number and this number. So what you need to do here, make it to 20 or 10, right? These two first numbers, and then save the changes, and your issue should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.